Let's start with eye makeup first. I'm using my concealer LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige, and I'm just blending it across with the Damn Beauty sponge, and I'm setting it with my Faces compact powder in the shade Natural. This is Faces Go Chic. Then I'm using a tape today because we are going for a dramatic liner. Make sure you leave this space. Now I'm using my iconic Vitality palette from the Makeup Revolution, and I'm using that orange shade as my transition shade. All the brushes will be mentioned in the description box. Now I'm taking a smaller blending brush and I'm taking that brown and I'm packing it on my outer V-zone, and I'm going to create a fake crease. Just put it right below that orange transition shade. Now I'm taking that black shade and I'm just ever so slightly going to intensify the V-zone. And whatever is remaining on the brush, just swipe it across your crease. Now I'm taking this single PAC eyeshadow number 2. This is the big pan eyeshadow, and I put it across my lid. Now I'm taking that brown shade again on a small blending brush and I'm just blending the harsh edges. Now I'm using my PAC glitter. These are diamond glitters, and this is in the shade Crystal. And using a brush, I'm just putting it on the lid. Now using my Maybelline gel eyeliner in black, I'm just going to make a dramatic wing. Make sure you make a thick wing and join it to your lower lash line. Now gently remove the tape. You can always clean up with a wet wipe. Now since this is a bridal look, we are going to use a pore filling primer. This is PAC Poreless Primer. Now I'm using my MAC NC35 foundation, Studio Fix foundation, and I'm just blending it. Make sure to cover your neck and your ears. Now I'm using that again, the concealer in Creamy Beige by LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm just going to highlight my under eye circles. Well, conceal and highlight. And setting it with my Faces Go Chic powder. Now let's complete the eye look. Just extend that eyeliner. And now smoke it out using a mixture of that brown and orange shade and the small blending brush. Now I'm going to highlight using that golden shade, my inner circles and the brow bone. I'm going to stick my PAC 58 lashes with my Miss Claire transparent adhesive. Start from the middle and then stick the edges. I'm going to put the Lash Sensational mascara from Maybelline on my lower lashes. This is one of the best mascaras out there. This is the finished eye look. I hope you like it. Now for my brows, I generally take a mixture of that brown and that black on a, like an angular eyeshadow brush, and just go in the direction of your natural eyebrow hair. Now using my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C15, I'm going to contour my face, and for this I'm generally nowadays using these mini sponges from PAC. For my blush, I'm using my Coloressence SH8 blusher. This is Satin Smooth Blusher, and I'm just putting it on my cheekbones. Now for my highlight, the upper part of my cheekbones, I'm putting the Makeup Revolution Goddess of Love highlighter a little bit on my forehead and using my fingers on my nose. Now I'm taking the lipstick Fiery Brown number 28 by Faces Canada. For my hairstyle, I center parted my hair and I'm putting the Mantika in the middle. Just cover the ends of it with a hair strand and just fix it with a pin. Now use a Velcro puff and then cover the Velcro puff well with the hair from the front and use bobby pins to fix it. Now for the rest of the hair, just put it in a tight ponytail, put a big donut bun on top and fix it with pins. Make sure to fix it well. Now invert all of your hair on the donut bun and then make a nice bun with it. Just circle the leftover strands and fix them with U-pins or bobby pins so that they are not visible. Now you get such fake ponytails in the market. They generally come with a bow. So just fix that bow onto your donut bun. And you can decorate it with flowers or with gajras as much as you like. And here is the final look.